Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to download KineMaster without watermark in your mobile phone. Also, if you want to download Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects in your PC, you can check it out from my video description. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. First, open Google Chrome and search KineMaster APK. Scroll down and you can see download button. Download it and open it. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe my channel for more this types videos.